top. Nah, it's not gonna. What if I here?
Yeah, I think it's got to be a lot steeper.
Let's see if this works.
Oh!
Let's see if this works.
Oh!
That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work at all.
I think we just broke it in half.
Yeah.
I think the kayak just broke in half.
Got you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. I can see it from here.
Holy. I don't like this.
Oh no, that does not want to work.
It's got to get.
Can you shift it a bit? Like as I push, can you start bouncing back and forth?
Oh, I can try. Okay.
Oh, that does help. It does help break it too. It's gonna break as soon as it goes. That lift is the issue.
I know, we got to get something that's going to be like epic so that when it explodes, it'll make a good video. That section up there, upper power line, might be the way to
I
go.
was thinking that too.
Ay.
Having like an in the trees situation and a steeper situation all at once.
I think that will be steep enough. And you'll explode right there, so we need to get ready with the camera right there.
I'm going to explode somewhere.
Right at that corner. 90% sure. If it's not there, it's above there.
All right, let's
I don't know. I'm still worried that it's going to explode before in transport, before you get it there.
I'll give it a plate for go. It's definitely steep enough.
I'm going to go down here, I think.
I
doubt it'll be really easy, but hopefully it'll slide.
Good point. Easier. Really much
If I can just get going, it'll start picking up speed, I think. I'm pretty sure of that. Until it eventually just goes boom.
So you have stuff over your face, right?
I'm more worried about getting like a shard of plastic in the leg or something. Holy!
You good? It's taking on snow now.
It's so heavy! Oh, because there's a ton of snow.
That would explain why the weight kind of increased.
Oh my god, it's so heavy. Alright, I suppose good as it's gonna get.
Okay. Now, before you get in,
Yeah.
never mind, I don't think I have anything to do.
What is it?
What kind of kayak?
Oh, it is a kayak.
It is a kayak.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's just a very old one, and
Are you
it's
able to hold it?
very fragile. So before it explodes, we're gonna
Walking
take
away.
it on one trip.
So how do you steer it? How do you control it?
You don't. Right.
You got it?
I'm recording.
You got
Radio.
it?
We're going. Let's go. Go for it. Come on.
Oh, no, I gotta get past this bump.
On the bright side, it means you're at least able to move. I believe. Lift your legs up as high as possible. Keep in the air. You can't? Chill. That's a good photo, though. I'll tell you that much.
So, I got shards of plastic in my ass right now.
Oh. Here.
I don't know if this thing's gonna slide.
I'm gonna lift that side up because it's tilting inward.
I don't know if we have a bottom on this thing anymore.
No idea. Ready?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. Push.
Oh, that's so
Yeah, I don't doubt it. We need to call it. We need to call it. Are you stabbed? Impaled in any manner?
literally just a seat.
Yep. Well, all you need is a seat, right?
All you need is a seat.
Damn right.
Okay. If you want to just film, I'm gonna see whatever I can do to make this interesting on the way down.
Let's go for it. I'm ready when you are.
Ready for this?
Ready. Well, it's something. Don't know if it's interesting. Snap it in half might work. I mean, you take what we can get, right? Yeah, well, it's working better. Well, now all the snow's out. Now it's gonna be way easier. I guess.
You ready? I'm just gonna launch it.
Are you not gonna go in it?
No, not anymore.
That's fair. You know what? It's for pride.
Sorry?
If it doesn't work, it's for, we're having fun. We're doing it for pride, so that's good.
Yeah.
It's for a good cause. It doesn't matter.
Aradia?
Dead.
Dead.
Yeah, let's go. What else knows that we go?
Alright,
You
I'm gonna go
for it?
and like,
Charge it.
yeah.
Let's see. I believe in you. Don't hurt yourself. Didn't come to that. It didn't come to that. Now we got 2. Awesome. Double it up.
Nice. Woo!
It looks great. Come on, you little... Honestly, if I hold it, you can't tell how fast I'm going. Okay, there's a lot of snow in this.
Yeah.
Or, hear me out, we fake it. Can't tell. there's a point in that when it looks like I'm in it. Yay! Yay!